are created by a scientist, Milan, and the leader of the upper class city of elites, which is controlled by Tianlong, which is the villain of the story. And Tianlong is actually he actually stole the research from this person called John Saints, which is from Earth. And we don't find out that this entire place is actually this entire world is actually taken place on Mars. Actually, that is the twist of the story in the middle. In the middle of the story, that's the actual twist where we found out this whole place actually took place on Mars. So John Saints is actually a genius, like something like a Tony Stark kind of genius. So, and Falco has been created using his genes. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Oh no, you just continue.
All right.
I think it's your colleague.
Yeah. So it's about 300 years after, it takes place 300 years after the Earth is dying. So Tianlong took the whole entire research from John Saints to Mars, and then he created this society of clones on Mars. And then he used these clones to extend his life by harvesting their organs, together with all these elite groups of people. So yeah, and then the story will continue with Falco trying to rebel against Tianlong, and then find a way back to Earth. And then they have a big war against Tianlong. So yeah, that's the synopsis of the story, where he will meet with John Saints, yeah, and then he will try to take back Mars from Tianlong again. So Falco is also the perfect clone. He didn't realize this, but he can live past 30 years. So that's a star clone 30. So everyone in Mars only live until 30 years.
To your commercial part.
The commercial part.
Yeah.
Have you seen the trailer yet? Before we go to the commercial part,
Actually, you can tell us your business plan first.
Yeah, we see the slide already.
Yeah.
All right. What about the movie file? Have you seen the MP4 yet? Can you play the MP4? The MP4 file there? It's called Star Clone 30 Motion Comic.
We saw the motion comic.
Yeah, it's called Star Clone 30 Motion Comic.mp4. Have you seen it? That's actually the trailer for the what the actual motion comic might look like.
You can continue with telling us what's your business plan, because we're very limited time.
Oh, that's right. Okay. So the business plan. So we're going to have two very different marketing. One is for physical media, the other is for digital media. So we have for the digital, we're going to have vlogs. So, and then we're going to spread our comic through social media like YouTube, Biblicomic, Tencent, Tapas, Webtoon, Facebook, Instagram, Weibo, and etc. So for the physical media, we're going to have printed copies of the comic, printed publication, which our team leader is very familiar with. So, and then he also, Teo Chin Leong, our team leader, he also has a YouTube channel with 63,000 subscribers, and we can we can gain some revenue from that too. So yeah, with an estimate of probably $1 per 1,000 views, and through Tapas we can get at least $25 per with $25 with 25K views. So yeah, so we're going to spread all our advertising through social media. We're going to advertise everything.
Q&A session.
Yeah, and then also
yeah,
to Patreon. Yeah.
Yes, I think we should proceed to the Q&A session because I got a question for you.
Yes.
I saw there's an overlap of costing because I saw
Which
one
one?
is you assume that because the Mdec funding is 25,000 and then
Yeah, 25,000.
for the marketing plan.
Hold on,
Yes, you actually
Okay.
the budget you actually allocate the 25,000 for
Yeah.
your content production. But
True. But with the review equipment, yeah, sketching, inking, digital coloring, everything, etc. Yeah.
Are you listening to me?
Yes.
25,000 for your comic book printing, right?
Yeah.
Can you explain what? So yes, the costing actually goes to the production of the printing. Yes, dia ada dua. Di bawah ada satu lagi. Dia kata Mdec funding tu 25K, lepas tu dia buat comic book. Yes.
You mean through investors and all?
Jadi mana yang dia punya cost nak pergi?
This one. This is the one. The self-funding, is it? You talking about the funding is 25K, okay?
Yes. Because you actually allocate 25K for more than 25K, I think for your people printing and ebook. And then above here you actually
allocation. That one is it consists of ebook, self-investing ebook. Hopefully we get some investors there to support us for a further 17,000.
Ya, tapi dia macam cari objektif lah. Ya betul lah. Macam dia expect another because dia tulis that.
Yeah, that is our part lah. We're trying to self-fund the other side while we use the 25K to start first lah. To start whatever we have first over here.
That's why I'm asking.
Our budget. Yeah.
The priority is towards production or towards the product.
The priority for the 25K is actually towards the production. Just towards the production of the for everything, the digital comic, the motion comic and stuff. For the rest,
just for the
excuse me?
Right?
Excuse me, you're breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. Can you repeat?
Yeah, the voice breaking up.
Your voice is breaking up. I can't hear. Can you repeat?
You want to
your question? No, my consideration is just the 25K funding. Your priority is for content production or for
yes. Content production. It's for the content production itself.
Yes, that's why.
For the rest, for the others, we're going to self-fund. But for the main thing, the motion comic itself, right? And the digital comic, yes, that's for the content. That's the funding. The 25K is for that, because we're going to have animators. We're going to animate, and we're also going to have quite a large number of pages to complete for the comic. So yeah, for the rest, like the ebook, T-shirt, everything, that one's outsourced. That one's outsourced funding. So there's nothing to do with the with the 25K. The 25K is to complete the project itself.
To complete the content person.
Yes, the complete content, everything here, the motion comic, the story, the animation, the trailers, whatever we need lah. That one that we can self-fund. We will use the 25K. Sorry. So for the rest, like T-shirts, merchandise, everything, that was something we think about in the future.
You got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Have you tested out? Have you tested the motions to the public and see what their feedback?
The feedback.
The feedback.
So far we tested the motion comic on Tapas,
Okay.
but it's just a sample. We haven't really how to say properly implement the how many views we get yet, anything. This is why this is like a test lah. We're just trying to test out this comic lah. But for feedback so far is very positive lah, because we haven't went to public, but we went to a lot of our friends and present the video, the trailers, everything, and all the digital comic, and show them partially, and they were quite impressed by it lah. Even some of the big companies and bosses also, they're all right with it.
Because this type of style of new ways of readings, and not new ways, really it's been done before, but it depends on the content, right? So the acceptance or the thing will be based on the testing out, see their feedback, and then improve it again, and then test it again. That is how the methods of testing whether people, if the works is easy to read and to understand, but when you talk about when you add motions, audio, and maybe soundtrack or animations, right?
Yeah,
So
those are from different media, digital comic and motion comic. So there's two. There's a static one. There's also the animated one, which is Tapas. Tapas they around a lot around I think it's about 2 megabytes or something of GIF. So yeah, something like this. So it's animated. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the presentations.
Okay.
Star Clone. It's actually just a ripoff of because we are big fans of Star Wars. So yeah, it's a ripoff of Star Clone 30. And then because they only live 30 years and it takes place in the 30th century. So yeah. That's why we call it Star Clone 30.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you. All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
So everything fine? Everything okay? All right. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.